What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We're here in one of the bathrooms in our house because we are going to test this product from Windex. It is their shower door X-Treme clean product that's specifically supposed to clean glass shower doors really well. And as you can see behind me right here, we have a lot of glass that surrounds our shower. So I thought, hey, here's a great opportunity to do a little test. On the label, you could see it's supposed to remove soap scum and hard water stains. On the back, they list a few other things that the product is also supposed to clean. If you take a look at the directions, they're actually quite simple. You either squeeze some of this stuff on a cloth and rub it on your shower glass, or you squeeze it on the shower glass and rub it with a cloth, and then you simply remove it with a clean cloth or paper towel. Now, what caught my curiosity about this product is the Windex brand. I think we all know that Windex brand from windshield wipers, right? They're noted for having really good windshield wipers, and not only really good windshield wipers, but when you typically use their windshield wipers, they're so good that the water, when it's raining outside, even without the wipers, tends to just fall really fast from your windshield. So I'm curious for two things about this product. One, how well does it clean? And then two, will it treat our shower doors the same way as it treats windshield wipers with regard to the water just falling off of the glass? And to make this a true test, what we're going to do is use the Windex product on our actual shower door on the front and back, and on this side of our shower glass as well. For this component of our shower glass, we are going to use what we typically use, and that's just Windex, just because I want to see the difference between the products. All right, before we start putting the product on our shower door, I wanted to try to give you guys a pretty good view of our shower door. You can see right by the handle some water stains. Just wanted to see if I could capture the area pretty well before we apply the product, so you can see if there is a difference after we apply the product. So I know it's probably not coming in that great. I think the biggest areas are at the bottom of our door here, on the sides, and then right near the handle. Okay, same thing on the other portion of our shower glass where we are going to apply the Windex. You can see on the top there, you can see some water stains, and as we move down a little bit further, you can see a little bit more. And then this is the section of our shower glass where we are going to apply kind of our standard cleaning formula, and that's just Windex. You can see the top again with some water stains, and they aren't as prevalent as we move down. Okay, so we are just going to squirt some of the product on our soft cloth and get to work. Comes out pretty easily, as you can see. Everybody's always curious about the scent of cleaning products. I don't really smell that much of a scent for this, and in my mind, that's a good thing. I can't stand it when there is a product that's almost overwhelming to your senses. So I'm just gonna go to work and start scrubbing the shower door right here, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we are finished applying the product to the glass. As you can see on our shower door, it's a little bit cloudy with the product on there. Right next to our shower door, we have the pane of glass that I've already applied the Windex to, and as usual, Windex does a really nice job of getting the glass clean. And then on our other pane of glass where we applied the product, you can see it is cloudy as well. If you'll recall from the directions, the last step in the cleaning process is to rinse the glass and then dry it with a cloth. So what I'm going to do is somewhat similar to that. I'm going to get a damp cloth, wipe the product off of the glass, dry it with a separate clean cloth, and then we are going to give you a look at how clean the glass looks compared to the Windex glass and compared to basically itself before I applied to the product. And then we are going to get in the shower, actually take a shower, and I'll give you a view of what the glass looks like after I get out, because I want to see if the water kind of falls off the glass. Okay, we have removed the product from the glass door and the other pane of glass. And as you can see, this looks really, really good. If you'll recall, two of the bigger problem areas were right around the handle. It is not dirty there anymore. And then near the bottom of our door, there were some issues, and this looks really nice as well. And on the other pane of glass, you can see near the top was where we had some water stains. Those are also gone. The remainder of the glass looks really, really nice. Okay, now we're gonna jump in the shower, take a regular shower, hop out. We're not gonna squeegee the glass or anything like that. All right, so we're just a couple minutes out of the shower, and as you can see, there really isn't that much of a difference between our Windex pane of glass and our Rain-X shower door. I was hoping that the shower door would have much fewer water droplets on it, but they look pretty much the same. I was hoping that Rain-X would incorporate its technology that it uses in its windshield wipers to allow the water droplets inside the shower to kind of just fall off the glass, but that does not seem to be the case. Now, just because the water droplets didn't fall off of our glass doesn't mean this is a bad product. It cleaned the glass. That's what we expected it to. And nowhere on the product packaging does it say the water droplets are going to simply fall off of the glass like I was hoping they might. It is a good product. The product that I bought, actually I bought two for $16 off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you would like to purchase. So the product went on pretty easily. It came off pretty easily. I feel like is a bit stronger than what you're going to get with Windex. It cleaned up some water stains that we had on our glass, and some of those were a little bit stronger than typically what Windex cleans up. So I will probably use this product in the future for when I encounter harder water stains that Windex typically doesn't do a good job of removing. But for kind of regular cleaning, I'll stick with Windex as my go-to. It's easier to use and it's cheaper.